everyone. Welcome to today's Fireside Chat. Our today's guest, other than his position at APPSeCONNECT, is an author by hobby and coder by profession. Please welcome Mr. Abhishek Sur, VP Product APPSeCONNECT. Hi
Yeah,
Abhishek,
hi.
so glad to have you here.
Pleasure is all mine.
So, Abhishek, till date, you have owned many hats, be it of a developer, be it a coder, be it on the seat of as a VP at AppSeConnect, or be it an author or speaker. So, if your LinkedIn had a headline, what would that be?
So I would not say it directly as a LinkedIn headline, but as a developer, from the start, what you learn is to build something.
Right.
I was building softwares while being a developer. Now I am building possibilities.
Wow, that's a good one. That's a good take. So, Abhishek, the journey from economics to .NET seems to be pretty interesting. Can you tell us about the plot twist? Like, how did it happen from economics to .NET?
So if you think of economics is all about business.
Right.
So when you talk about economics, I have learned about economics, it is I was learning how to grow the business, what are the challenges that we have in the business. And with software development, it is also about business, so it's not totally different stream. It actually merged somewhere in the business.
Okay, right, correct.
Yeah. So it is the continuous adaptation that we have to do while coming from a different background.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So both have a link somewhere if we have to see it in that way,
yes,
right?
right.
Okay. The next question that's there is a really funny one. So, as VP product of AppSeConnect, if you have to pitch AppSeConnect to a 10-year-old, how would you do that?
Okay, so I think I would go with the Lego story. So we all know about the how we build Lego products. So in Lego, what we have is we can build houses, we can build cars and different things.
Right.
Now, what AppSeConnect I can think of AppSeConnect does is gives a platform which connects all of them together. So it's not like we are dealing with Legos, but what we are dealing with are the business applications. So we have different kind of data coming in from different business applications. So what AppSeConnect does is it connects all of them together.
Wow, that was really a good one to put it with a Lego thing.
Yeah.
Nice. So AI seems to be everywhere right now, right? Like whatever, wherever you see it's AI that's trending. So if AppSeConnect's AI features were a superhero for say, who would it be? So is it Iron Man with Jarvis or Batman with gadgets, or do you have a customized one for yourself?
I would rather go with Iron Man with Jarvis because AI for us, when we are building AppSeConnect, AI is something which complements the person.
Right.
It is not replacing him.
No.
So Iron Man with Jarvis is getting all these components which are helping Iron Man to solve a problem. So the same thing is AppSeConnect doing, where we put up features which can help our customers to gain more from AppSeConnect.
Wow. Abhishek, in the discussion, I guess you have highlighted a really a trending problem that is AI replacing humans, or is it a friend rather than is it someone who is it something that complements humans, or is it something that replaces humans? So that was a really interesting take of you putting it as an example of Iron Man and Jarvis.
Yeah, thank you.
Abhishek, you have been a Microsoft MVP and a community leader for ages now. So, since you have been into the system for so many years, I'm sure there has been myths around you, right? So what's that one myth that you are fed up of now and you would just like to bust it once and for all?
Okay, so what I am thinking is, I think one of the myth that every developer comes into when they comes into the system is developers can doesn't know the business.
Right.
So it's a myth, because if you are a developer and if you are exposed to the business, if you learn about the business, then developer can suggest more about the upcoming features that they can introduce into the product, which can cater to a business problem.
Correct.
So it's just a myth that a developer cannot understand business. Yeah.
Okay. Good one. You have founded the Kolkata Gigs community. Tell us one of the funniest or most unexpected moment from those meetups.
Yeah. So if I recall, actually, I'll give you a story. So we are having a very intense talk while we are doing a meetup. Uh, at a certain point of time, I see that people are started talking with each other. So I thought, what happened? But later on, I realized that it is because of the pizza that just came in, and because it was about to, they were about to have lunch, so they were expecting to go to the pizza. So I quickly wrapped up the session, and they went to pizza. They went there, and then I realized that uh, development is all about creation as well as carbs.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the Kolkata Gigs community? Like, how many years has it been? Or, like, what generally happens in those meetups?
Yeah, so I started this Kolkata community when I was actually a developer. So I met with few guys in Kolkata, and we started this community to help the developers in the city. And initially we started with Microsoft, and Microsoft helped us with organizing these meetups. And in these meetups, what we do is we educate people about the development process and development languages. So that's how we build the community, and a lot of people has engaged with us, and now there is a community in place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's that one thing you find yourself doing when you're not geeking around?
If you are not geeking around, then I am a big lover of movies.
Okay.
So I do love watching series, and so if I am not doing anything on the technical side, so you will find me binge watching something in Netflix or somewhere.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a nice way of
Yes, yes.
relaxation, I guess.
Yesterday I was watching the Wednesday.
Okay.
It's released this week.
Yeah. It's trending now on Netflix.
Yes.
So, one last question for today. What is that one piece of advice you would like to give to the freshers entering the tech domain that you wish you knew as a econ to tech switch days?
Yes. So for the developers that are who are coming into the industry, one thing they need to know is, in software development, it is all about how we adapt. So you have to learn new things when things uh, are obsolete. So for instance, now it's the trend is about AI.
Right.
So everyone needs to learn about AI, but later on there might be something else coming in, like quantum machines will be coming in, and there will be new languages coming in for which are specifically targeting the quantum machines. So you have to learn again. So it's all about continuous learning. So in real life as well as in software industry, only constant thing is the learning and adaptation.
Right. So, like we say, change is the only constant. I guess
Yes.
we can summarize it to learning. Has always been the constant, like to life. I guess.
Exactly.
Right. That was really a good chat, Abhishek. Like very visionary and very while staying grounded, but doing talks that are very intense. The one thing that I like about today's chat is guys, it is not AI who's replacing humans, but rather it is a friend. So let's use it as someone who can always help us grow. And rather than like typing always or putting those like sentences on two inverted commas that AI is gonna replace humans, because that's really not happening. Thank you, Abhishek, for
Thank you
joining in
so much
today. It
for
was
having
really
me
a
here.
nice
Yeah,
one. Thank
thanks.
you.